Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Rozvi Princess TV. If you are new to the channel, my name is Rumbi and welcome aboard. If you are coming back to the channel, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. You know I don't take you guys for granted. And thank you so much for those who subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your subscriptions. They motivate me and inspire me to make more videos. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, may you kindly take this moment to subscribe. Just click that red button and don't forget to click the bell that reminds you when I upload a new video. Okay, so I'm kind of excited about today's video. It's kind of a get to know me video, but we're doing an ethnicity tag / Zim tag. So let's get to know each other, guys. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to use my phone. My phone is going to guide me with the questions that I'm going to read to you. As I answer these questions, you get to know me, guys. Okay, fine. So first question goes like this. What is your ethnicity? Oh, hallelujah. I am Zimbabwean. Simuzayimureza. Exactly. I am from Zimbabwe. 100% is 100% Zimbabwean. And then I don't think I should say more about this. You can see it. All right. Second question. When was the last time you visited your country? The last time I visited Zimbabwe was 2018. I'm that person who goes home like literally every year. It's only that this year I was supposed to be home right now, but you all know what's going on. Like things are not okay for everybody. Nobody's traveling right now. This whole pandemic is not a joke. So I could be home right now. And it's like I literally go home every year. It's only that I think last year is the only year I didn't go back home since I left Zimbabwe. Name one ethnic food you love the most. This is a difficult one, guys. I love my Zimbabwean food. I love my Zimbabwean dishes. I'm going to mention a few, guys, because this is hard. I love my traditional food, traditional Zimbabwean food like mbora unedovi. Like mbora is like pumpkin leaves with peanut butter. Ooh, delicioso. That's amazing stuff. I love my makurwe. I don't know if you guys know these. Gurwe. If anyone knows about makurwe, please comment down below. You'll find them kumusha anocherwa pass. Like you get them down there. Makurwe. I love those things. I miss them. I think I last had a gurwe when I was maybe grade 3 or something, but I've been thinking about them lately. I love my nopi. Nopi. Guys, nopi is lit. Something that you should try if you go to Zimbabwe. Matimbi. Oh my God. Okay. They said one food, but I'm now mentioning like literally everything. It seems I love all my Zimbabwean dishes. Okay. The next question is, name one household item that best represents your culture. Ooh, I have so many. This is a household item that I have. Osho. Okay, this one is a rattle. It's made it's literally a calabash from a squash. In Shona, we call the squash mapudzi or udzi when it's one. And they open it when they dry and then they put some little things that will be making a sound. So this is a music instrument, and you know I love music generally, so it's part of my lifestyle. I came with this guy straight from Zimbabwe. I also have here with me this basket made in Zimbabwe. It's rusero. We call it rusero in my language. It's pretty much like in style right now. Everybody's going to town about this in their interior design. So I use mine to store some stuff. I just thought I should do this. As an African woman, I can carry this on my head and I'm proud of it as a Zimbabwean woman. Okay, the next one, guys, is what part of the country are you from? Okay, I am from Domboshava, ndiko kubunshia kwandino, but basically my rural home is Domboshava. That's where I come from. I grew up in many places, so let's just say I come from Domboshava because that's our rural home, like for my whole family and so on. But I spent a chunk of my life in Wedza. For those who know Wedza, shout out to my Wedza people. Wedza, uko! You know, like I spent like a lot of time there. That's where I went to school. I was at a boarding school in Wedza, Chairman's High School. I'm now giving you a lot of information. Oh my God. I also lived my life in some areas in Zimbabwe. So I know quite a bit about Zimbabwe, but originally Domboshava. Next question is, do you speak your language? Ooh, dinotaura. Oh yes, I speak my language, Shishona. Say something in your language. Ndinonzwa manyuku kufara nekuita video yandiri kuita. Basically I'm saying I'm so excited to do this video. That's what I was saying in my language. Okay. Have you ever experienced culture shock? Oh my goodness. Who cannot experience culture shock in New York? Obviously I did, guys. Culture shock is real. The first thing that, okay, there are quite a number of things, of course, that are so different from Zimbabwe. Imagine Zimbabwe and New York, like New York City is one of a kind. So one thing that I realized here, like people here, they curse a lot. Oh my God. At first I used to be shocked, like surprised, but okay, now it is what it is. And then secondly, the other shock was I'm used basically back home, people are friendly. You can just greet anyone you meet anywhere. I used to greet people on the subway, guys. Oh my God. I know. I'd be like, hi. So, but anyway, generally back home, even in Harare is a city, but people still say hi. You can have a conversation with a stranger in a kombi. Kombi is basically those minibuses. You can have a conversation with someone you don't know. It's normal back home, but it's not normal here. You cannot just talk to strangers. Okay, next question. What's your totem? Oh, my totem is Moyo. That's why my channel is called Rozvi Princess. I'm a Rozvi Princess, so Moyo totem, Tinoera Moyo. Right? I think that's answered. Moyo ndizvo, Vumavaranda. Okay, here. So I'm a Mamoyo. Mamoyo, follow me. Mamoyo, all lean on me. That's exactly me. And then the next question is, how do you greet people in your culture? In my culture, do you want me to show you how we do it? In my culture, when we're greeting people, usually the girls, we kneel down, or if it's a place where you can't kneel really, you can just do like a little bit of, I wish I could show you how to do it, but you greet people with one of your hand will be holding here, and you say, and then you say Makadin. After holding their hands, you then say Makadiniko. If you want to learn how to greet people in my language, I have a video that you can look up on my channel here that you can watch and learn how to greet people in my language. Then you clap your hands like this if you're a girl, and then for guys they usually do this, and for guys you should remove your hat if you're wearing a hat, or you shouldn't put your hands in the pocket or something like that. Yeah, that's how we greet people where we come from. And then how grand way do you celebrate your weddings? Weddings in my culture, guys, are real. We don't do small weddings in Zimbabwe. Weddings are huge. Your guest list has to be like really big, because we have one big family. We don't have like extended family, or like we don't have like, a separated family that goes with nuclear and extended family. We have just one big family. So everybody is invited. Your mother's friends, your children. So everybody is important. They just come to weddings. I know these days people are now cutting people from their weddings, but weddings in Zimbabwe are a big deal. People go all out. People do all things. Like there's a lot that happens, and people will be celebrating. Mothers will be dancing songs like Makorokoto, Waita Zvakanaka, and some people like Nasindezvedu, Ita Makorokoto Korokoto Kwatiri, Wedu Wadadisa, Mazinzwaka. So that's what we do. We celebrate our weddings, right? And then next, we celebrate. No joke when it comes to celebrate. Celebrations are celebrations and they are lit. You have fun, right? And then do you have a happy chant you commonly say in your language when you're happy? Okay, yeah. In my language, we have happy chants. There are quite a number of happy chants, but I'm just going to use one of them. Usually this one, when something happens, maybe a child is passed all their courses, they're going to graduate. When you go and tell your mother that, Mom, I just received my results, I'm going to graduate on the 15th of May. Your mother's going to, of course, ululating is not a chant. But then after ululating, she's going to say, Chigutiro, tambawaka guta, Chigutiro, tambawaka guta, ukamaiko, nenge usawira, ukamaiko, nenge usawira, all that stuff, celebrating. And then, that chant is a common chant that people usually use when there's something to celebrate, right? And then, who's your favorite musician from your country? This one is difficult, guys. I have quite a number of people I love from Zimbabwe. One of my favorites was, no question, Dr. Oliver Mtukudzi. May God rest his soul. Dr. Mtukudzi was a legend. We all know I love Mtukudzi's music. I love Charles Charamba, like Pastor Charles Charamba and my Charamba, their music. I used to sing those songs, guys, when I was in high school. People used to call me my Charamba because I used to sing them like literally every Sunday. But anyway, I love their music so much. I love their music. And then I love Winky D. A lot of Zim dancehall artists, I really love them. A lot of them, like, I love Ja Preza, I love his music. I love Killer T. I love, who else? So many Zimbabwean musicians. All those, like, I love literally almost a lot of our musicians. I love Sandra Ndebele. Yeah, and many more. But so far I told you who I love. I really love, like, Dr. Mtukudzi was one of my favorites. And then, right, next question. Do people of other ethnicities find it difficult to pronounce your name? Oh, yeah, that one is straightforward. Yes, they do. Some people call me Ruby. They think my name is a Ruby. Some say Rumi. So anyway, let me explain. My name is Rumbi Zai. Rumbi Zai, meaning praise, to praise, okay? Rumbi Zai. So I know it's difficult. So at school, at some point I was going to use my middle name. My middle name is Elizabeth, but I decided not to. You got to learn Zimbabwean name, darling. You got to say Rumbi Zai. Yes. So I want people to call me with my name, Rumbi Zai. I know you guys usually call me Rumbi. That's fine. I'm cool with that. No problem. We still call each other by that, right? And then your favorite tourist attraction in your country. Oh my God, we have so many beautiful places. How can you say one? I love our great, beautiful monuments of great Zimbabwe. I love our beautiful, our majestic Victoria Falls. Who doesn't? The mighty Zambezi River. Oh my God, Zimbabwe is gorgeous. You should just go and see it if you don't know Zimbabwe, guys. I love all those places. I love Kariba, like Matopo Hills. I also love Inyanga. The Eastern Highlands is just beautiful, guys. Ooh, Vumba. I went to Vumba and I was like, I just want to live here. This is beautiful. Zimbabwe is just, it's good. A lot of beautiful places. Of course, I love my hometown, my rural home. Domboshava, we have caves. Also, we have Chinoi caves and other caves. I love literally a lot of Zimbabwe gems. We have so many gems anyway. But yeah, so I love them all. They're like my babies. Last questions, good people. What's your favorite restaurant in your country? Woo! Clash of the Giants. I have so many restaurants I love. Unfortunately, when I went back last time, I realized that some of them closed. But so I'm just going to mention two that I still love. If I don't know if they closed, I'm sure they're still there. Gava. Gava is a sadza place. They make sadza, namas bonzo, and all like those traditional Zimbabwean food. You enjoy the Gava. Excuse me. And then I also love, there is a place where they do, I think that's where they do the best chicken in the country, guys. It's called the Pointy. The Pointy, they marinate their chicken for 12 hours. If you don't know this place, comment down below. I'll hook you up. I know it is. My avenues, you know, it's an amazing restaurant. Amazing. We used to go there with my husband. He was still my boyfriend then. We used to go there during like restaurant week. We used to enjoy. Oh my God. I know a lot of Zimbabwean restaurants. They were lit. So thank you guys. That was it. But I shouldn't forget one more. The Boma Victoria Falls. Oh, their experience. It's more than a restaurant. It's a culture. It's a lifestyle. You should try that one, guys. The Boma Victoria Falls was lit for me. Playing drums, eating madora, having like a welcome drink, maheu. It was just lit. So let me know what you think down below in the comments about my Zim tag, ethnicity tag. I also want to know you guys' favorite sports in Zimbabwe and other things that you love. I also want to know more about you guys. It's not just about me. I want to know about you. Okay, guys, see you on my next video. Bye.